The original lineup of the iconic Apple AirPods has now entered its third generation with the latest variant priced at 18,500 rupees. Apart from big changes in the design, there are also some new features including support for spatial audio and MagSafe wireless charging for the case. The new earphones sit somewhere between the second generation Apple AirPods and the Apple AirPods Pro in the lineup, including in terms of pricing. However, is the Apple AirPods 3 worth the new price of 18,500 rupees? Let's find out in this review. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to be notified every time we post a new video. The biggest change in the third generation AirPods is in the design, with the earphones having shorter stems and larger earpieces than the previous generation variant. There are also Force Touch sensors on the earphones, which require a deliberate gesture to use and provides feedback that simulates the feel of a physical button. This makes for much more precise controls similar to those on the AirPods Pro. The earphones offer a secure fit because of the larger earpieces, but the lack of silicone ear tips means that there isn't much passive noise isolation. I was able to hear a fair amount of ambient sound even with the volume turned up, and this is by design to make the AirPods safe to use in outdoor areas. The charging case also sees a redesign to suit the new shape of the earpieces and usefully supports Qi wireless charging with added support for MagSafe accessories. There is also a lightning charging port for traditional wired charging. The earphones have the Apple H1 chip, which allows for seamless pairing and connectivity with Apple devices, and you can quickly switch between your iPhone, iPad and Mac computer. A skin detection sensor on the earpieces knows when they're in your ears as opposed to on any other surface to enable automatic playback and pausing of audio. Importantly, there's no active noise cancellation or hear-through mode on the third generation Apple AirPods. However, there is enhanced Siri functionality, enhanced Find My functionality, and also support for spatial audio. Siri works well on the new AirPods with the ability to invoke the voice assistant with the Hey Siri voice command thanks to microphones that are always listening for it. The Find My app allows tracking of the earphones and has features to help locate them, while spatial audio works with compatible apps and services on iOS such as Apple TV and Apple Music. Traditional Bluetooth 5 connectivity does of course mean that you can pair the headset with any compatible device including Android smartphones, but the full feature set and experience needs an iOS device to use. When connected to an iOS device, you can see battery prompts, adjust settings and features, and have all of your Apple ID linked devices automatically paired with the headset. The fit isn't very noise isolating and there's no active noise cancellation, but the new AirPods are a lot like the AirPods Pro when it comes to audio quality. The headset uses custom high excursion drivers and also high dynamic range amplifiers, along with Apple's adaptive EQ technology, which sets up the equalizer according to the shape of your ears. This means that the sound is similar to the AirPods Pro, albeit without the benefit of active noise cancellation or proper noise isolation through a tight seal. That said, the earphones are loud and clean enough to make for a decent listening experience even in noisy environments. Audio quality was decent with various genres, as the AirPods were able to adapt almost on the fly to the music being played. With Snitch by Netsky and Aloe Black, the sound was engaging and well calibrated to capture the essence of not only the vocals but also the synthesized bass elements. With the faster and more aggressive Holdin' On by Monster, the AirPods 3 sounded cohesive and attacking, while the gentle and refined Truth by Kamasi Washington sounded detailed and engaging, with the AirPods subtly adjusting to the changes in the pace and tone of the track. Spatial audio performance was decent with Apple TV and Apple Music, while head tracking made for an interesting listening experience where the vocals in spatial audio tracks seem to be anchored to the iPhone even if I move my head. Performance with audiobooks and calls was decent, although the lack of active noise cancellation and weak noise isolation did hamper the overall experience, particularly when outdoors. Priced at 18,500 rupees, the third generation AirPods are quite expensive given the fact that there's no active noise cancellation. However, good design and sound quality along with the seamless connectivity with Apple devices and excellent Siri, Find My and Apple Music integration makes the new AirPods a worthwhile option to consider if you have a budget of less than 20,000 rupees. In conclusion, this is a very good pair of true wireless earphones, but only really makes sense to buy if you already have an Apple iPhone and maybe also an iPad and Mac computer as well. That's it for our review of the Apple AirPods 3rd generation. For all things tech, don't forget to log on to gadgets360.com.